Here's one more attempt to install Puppet Enterprise 2017 version onto Ubuntu. This is version of Ubuntu is 16.04.1, so I've gone back one revision to see if this would help. I also increased the size of the disk on this VM, so this VM is running under Virtualbox. So they were saying they wanted 100 gig. So here you can see, yeah, we got 96 gig available, 87 gig on Slash. So hopefully that's going to be enough for them. I did install the Virtualbox editions into this VM, Ubuntu 16.04.1. So hopefully this is going to work out fine. And I did download this thing, so there's Puppet Enterprise again. Let's try this once more. See if we have any luck. Let's unzip it. I also gave this machine 4 gigs memory, so that should make a difference too. So Puppet was complaining it wanted 4 gigs memory, it wanted 100 gigs. So I gave all that stuff. I also backed the VM down one version of Ubuntu. This is 16.04.1. I had tried the newest level of Ubuntu and it didn't seem like it liked it a whole lot. So let's see if this will go this time. And I'll do the web installer like I tried before. And let's call this machine something for FQDN. Let's try calling it something it doesn't resolve, like 192.168. That's on my home network. IP would work on my home network. Puppet Master dot .hm, would that work? I guess so. HM for home, I guess. Yep, that should work. Let's try that. Puppet Master.hm. That would try and ping that one. Okay, so actually I'm at 10.0.2. Okay, I'm basically running on a NAT interface. Let's take the machine off of NAT and put it onto DHCP. That would be better. So to do that, on to Virtualbox and settings. I do want the clipboard to work on this thing, so clipboard, drag and drop, clipboard, bidirectional, there we go. And I do want to change the networking here from NAT to bridged. That'll bridge to my Wi-Fi and get an IP right from that. Let's start the thing again, start up this VM. Here it comes. Let's go on here. Okay, so let's check the IP now. 192.168.1.209. 209. change this to 209 because it resolves. There we go. There, it's a good thing. So I could put in the Wi-Fi router a MAC address of this VM to have it bind to this 209 address over reboots and over Wi-Fi reboots, but that's neither here nor there right now. So let's install this thing. So we're called Puppet Master HM on this one. Let's run the installer once again for Puppet Enterprise. And see how it goes. This will bring up the usual web interface. Which I've done twice now. And if I had no joy, hopefully the third time's a charm. Since I have a big production style VM running now with 2 cores and 496 of memory megabytes, which is 4 gigs memory, 100 gigs of disk. How can I go wrong here? Okay, so this thing's running with a Firefox. And boy, I don't like it being full screen. I always get burned on how to change this right there. I like Ubuntu, but I'm not used to it. It's a lot like the Mac in a way with the interface. Okay, we go localhost port 3000, and you've all seen this before from my other videos of how this works. So let's try it out again. We're back at the usual Puppet installer page. Installing the server. Puppet Master is going to be Puppet Master. .home. I have no idea what it wants for this Puppet. Let's leave it like that. Database support, install the Postgres, admin. I'll just make this admin. Let's see, let's try that again. admin. Continue. Don't want to save it. Come on. Well, that's interesting here. It likes DNS. Oh my God, are you serious? So it's definitely going to want 100 gigs for a Puppet environment, I suppose. Okay, well, even though we have problems, let's try it again. At least there's no red. So what happens this time? Oh, it's running a lot faster. Looks like it hit a wall here. Running command, enable. Strange. So it ran a lot faster, but hit a brick wall again. Here's the log. Installing Puppet Agent. We saw this stuff last time. This looks to be where the agent runs. Failed to load library SE Linux. That's fine. I don't want SE Linux on here. Looking for facts. This is what I saw last time, so I think reverting back to 16.04.1 didn't matter. The Ubuntu 16.04.2 will work fine. So again, I need more research on this. But the larger machine did help, that's for sure. Larger machine helped. So it's still getting facts. Memory free. That's interesting. So it's installing stuff and then seeing the memory go down. And what happened here? Some kind of YAML problem. Here it's saying path not found. So this is interesting. Looks like failed dependencies, skipping. Oh, it's still making stuff here. That's a good thing. Apply to catalog. And here it just quits. So Puppet infrastructure configure debug module path returns a 6. Running command agent enable. So why is this not going to work? Let's try this manually. We have nothing to lose. So here it just works. So, not sure why this thing is not working. This thing's called Puppet Agent. Puppet Demon's working here. So do I believe this thing really failed? Don't know. Not really sure. So what can we do from here? Log view, quick start guide. Can we restart this thing? Maybe. Can't connect because I brought down that daemon. So let's see if we start it again, see what happens. Directory. Okay, we're still getting this stuff here. Second time through, I don't think this will do anything, but it's worth a try. Maybe it installed some stuff it needs and it'll skip through now. Maybe not. That's probably what's killing me right there, this virtual package thing. Yep. So this is not going to go. Let's try the text way to do it and see what that does. Number 2, text mode. Ugh, gotta mess around with this stuff. Okay, console admin password. Let's put something in here. Okay. Enterprise master, trusted cert name, enterprise console. Host equals that. PuppetDB, ugh. So this looks like you can use it with stuff that's already configured. Database name, DB user. So maybe I can uncomment these things here. P activity, DB user, blah 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 blah. Gross. Well, this isn't that long, and I haven't really read anything how to do this. I'm just kind of winging it. Database name. Let's take this as good. Migration good. Good. I'm just going to comment all these things. There we go. External Postgres, don't have that. DNS aliases. That's fine. Okay. Let's see what happens now. Let's see if this method will go through, or at least give us some errors. Okay, we've seen that before. And it's changed my HM. It's not interesting. Well, so far nothing's crashing, so maybe this is the better method. Nothing crashing yet. So far, so good. Nothing red, nothing crashing. So maybe the text installation is the way to go. Looks like Postgres is going on. Replication, don't care about that. not for a demo. I probably should keep this log so I can tell how to log into this thing. Well, this is certainly heating up the MacBook. That's for sure. This is really chewing up some CPU. Saw a console go through there. That's good. It's using both CPUs, which is pretty cool. I like the fact that it's using both processors in this thing. Okay, that's Java, so Java would do that. Java is intelligent enough to use all the processors that it can. So I'm running an i7 with 4 cores, and I gave 2 cores to this machine. And it's using them. So we're back to a command prompt, and I don't think anything went wrong here, so that's good. Let's see what's in here. Anything Puppet looking here? Postgres is running. Puppet Labs Ruby. There's the Postgres DB running. So this is definitely a high volume production type environment. It's pretty impressive. So how do we get to the console? Probably that kind of command there. Accessing the console. Reaching the console. Okay, just tell me the command. What port did I use? I don't even know. Looks like it's 8443. Hopefully that's good to go. Okay, there we go. So I don't see anything here. I remember that there was a separate action to install the console, so I don't see anything on here like console running. There's something, Puppet Lab, so okay, it's working. Sometimes you can get the port out of here. Looking for the port number here. Okay, well, looks like the text mode finally worked. I'm going to guess the Puppet's installed in this thing now, so what I'm going to do is make a second video on using the console. So thanks for watching, and as always, have a great day. I think we can say the Puppet did install finally on this machine, so pretty happy about that. Take care, have a great day.